Good morning, dear
Good
students.
morning, sir.
How are you all today?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, I am also fine, students. So, students, once again, I welcome all of you to this economic class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the date today?
4th of July,
Very
sir.
good. So let me write on the whiteboard. Okay. 4th of July. Very good. Yes. What is the subject?
Economics, sir.
Yes, very good. Economics. Okay, so topic I will tell you as I move ahead with the lesson, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, before I begin something, I will ask you some interesting questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
So imagine, suppose you all are farmers, okay? And you have plenty of lands. But you all are dying out of hunger. So in order to save your life, from farmer's point of view, what will you do?
Collect water, sir.
Yeah, that also could be. Just pay attention. You have plenty of the lands, okay? And
Yes,
you all
sir.
are dying out of hunger. So, in order to save your life from farmer's point of view, what will you do?
Cultivate, sir.
Yes. You cultivate, you grow vegetables, right?
Yes, sir.
So, once the cultivation is ready, or whatever you have cultivated, the crop or the vegetable you have grown, so once the crop is ready, the vegetable is ready, what do you do?
Harvest, sir.
Yes, fantastic. You harvest and then you use them according to your own requirements, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And some you preserve for the later use, right?
Yes, sir.
All of a sudden you don't finish of everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Some you keep for the future consumption, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
some maybe if you have bumper production, lot of vegetables and all. So what do? The surplus you sell in the market, you get the money out of that, and at the same time for the future use, for the later use, you preserve something, right? Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So students, another thing is that these days we are facing the shortage of water, right?
Yes,
We are
sir.
facing the shortage of water. The level of groundwater is, slowly going down day by day, right?
Yes, sir.
See, earlier there was the rain was regular in the rainy season, right? And
Yes,
accordingly,
sir.
the farmers were ready with the cultivation. But now it is not like that, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
farmers they cannot predict the rain, even in the rainy season, right? And that's
Yes,
how the cultivation is hampered in a very big way, right? So, students, what should be done? What should be done in order to solve this problem of water when it rains? What should be done? You have any idea?
Water should be collected, sir.
Yes, fantastic. Okay, water should be harvested. Water
Yes,
should
sir.
be
Collected.
collected. Right. Yes. Meanwhile, you can just put up this one. Afterwards, I will show you. Okay. Okay. So, can you imagine, no? How this water can be solved, isn't it?
Yes,
When
sir.
it rains, the water can be harvested, right?
Yes, sir.
So, students, now I hope you can guess the topic of the day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you are smiling. That's a very good sign. Yes.
sir.
Yes. So tell me, could you tell me the topic of the chapter that we are going to deal with today?
Rainwater harvesting,
Yes, it
sir.
is rainwater harvesting. Okay. So I'll write over here. Okay. Rain water harvesting. Okay, very good. So our subtopic will be concept of rainwater harvesting. Okay, very good. So students, this rainwater harvesting, okay. In one hand, okay, it makes us aware about the scarcity of water, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
on the other hand, it also gives us the idea about the conservation of water, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
preservation of water. So, with the help of slide, I will make you understand, okay?
Yes, sir.
What this red water means, okay? So, as I show you the slides, you'll understand better, okay? So, I request any one of the students to kindly operate this projector for the whole class. Okay, very good. Can you see on the screen,
Yes, sir.
students? Meanwhile, I put this one down, okay? Okay, afterwards I will show you something.
Okay,
The
sir.
model I have prepared, so I not put this one down, okay? The chair. Okay, students,
Yes, sir.
can you see on the screen?
Yes, sir.
So, this is the topic that we are going to study today during this class, okay?
Yes,
So, this
sir.
is about rainwater harvesting. Can you see here the pictures I have displayed for you?
Yes, sir.
See here, this is the two methods of rainwater harvesting. One side, rainwater is harvested. How? How it is harvested?
From roof, sir.
Yes, from the rooftops, and on the other hand,
Yes, sir.
from
the surface.
yes, from the surface, water is being harvested, right? The rainwater,
sir.
especially by creating dams, by creating ponds, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the topic for our class today, okay?
Yes, sir.
Rainwater harvesting, okay? So please see the next slide. See here, rainwater harvesting, okay? So as I explained to you, I will ask you some questions as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, can you imagine a day without water?
No, sir. Not possible, sir.
Yes, it is difficult to imagine. It is hard to imagine because we use water every day in our lives, right?
Yes, sir.
For different purposes and for different activities, right? So
Yes, sir.
now could you tell me the use of water? Why do we use water for?
For drinking.
Yes, for drinking,
Washing clothes.
washing clothes,
Cooking food.
cooking, bathing, so on and so forth.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
For other domestic purposes also and for industrial purposes also, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
use water for, right? Very good. So this way we can say that water is very precious and essential in our life, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, without water we cannot survive. So, students, another thing is that these days we are heading towards the scarcity of water. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what could be the reason behind for the scarcity of water? See, you can see 3 bullets I have given for you all to understand the scarcity of water. See here, the excessive
Yes,
use
sir.
of water, pollution of water, and waste of water. Okay, so these are the reasons behind for the what? Scarcity of water, right?
Yes,
See
sir.
here, this picture will make us understand more and more. Okay, see, the boy is drinking water, but the big tap is open, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
maybe he is consuming little bit of water, but then see the amount of water is being wasted here, right?
Yes,
On the other hand, here you see the lady, beautiful lady, she is with the cup of tea, but on the other hand, tap is open, okay, simply water is flowing, no control of water, right? So this is the reason behind, okay, these are the reasons behind for the scarcity of water. Another thing is that pollution of water. Here you can see the picture, okay,
Yes, sir.
how the waste things are simply thrown in the water, okay, the water body, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's how the water is being polluted, right? Very good. See students, here another thing is that, see,
Yes,
the amount
sir.
of water is, the dirty water is channelized in the river, the fresh river. The water is very fresh there, but the water which is very dirty, okay, maybe it is
Yes,
used in the
sir.
industry and all, and the dirty water is simply channelized in the fresh water, the pure water here in the river, and that's how the water is contaminated, okay, it's become very dirty.
Yes,
Other hand,
sir.
you can see the one fellow is brushing his teeth, okay, but tap is fully open, the water is simply flowing. So these are the reasons behind for the scarcity of water, okay, excessive
Yes,
use of
sir.
water, then pollution of water, waste of water. So students, let us understand the value of each drop of water in our life, because water is life,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So let us start conserving water for future use, and let us not waste and pollute water. So this is the point for us to reflect, okay?
Yes, sir.
So let us not waste water and pollute water, okay? But let us conserve water for the future use. Okay,
Yes,
very good.
sir.
Are you all getting, students?
Yes, sir.
See, now understand the meaning of rainwater harvesting. Yes, I request any one of the students to kindly read this one for the
Yes,
whole
sir.
class. Yes.
Rain water harvesting, in a very simple way, it is a process which is used to conserve rainwater by collecting, storing that runs off from rooftops, parks, roads, open ground, etc. for later use.
Yes. Hope it makes sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Rainwater harvesting, okay, in a very simple way, it is a process, okay, by which
Water is
water
collected.
is conserved or collected, okay, that runs off, okay, from where? From rooftops, from parks, from roads or open ground, okay, for later use. So this is the meaning of rainwater harvesting, okay. When it rains, the water simply flows from the rooftops or either from the open spaces or from the surface, okay. So that water is collected for what? Later use, and that is known as rainwater harvesting. So hope it is clear, this
Yes,
definition,
sir.
okay. Now example I have given here. See students, in the animal kingdom there are some animals which are very rare in numbers, right? So could you name some of the animals
Yes, sir.
that are very rare in numbers?
Lion, sir.
Yes, lion also, elephant,
Yes.
okay, panda and all, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So students, these animals are very rare in numbers. So if they are not taken care of, okay,
Yes,
they will
sir.
vanish from this earth planet, right? And
Yes, sir.
to next generation, we cannot tell, isn't it?
Yes,
We
sir.
cannot tell that there existed an animal called the elephant. We cannot tell. So we need to take care of their preservation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then only those animals will, live on this earth, and we can also show the next generation that we have very huge animals, very powerful animals, right? So
Yes,
we
sir.
need to take care of their preservation. Okay, so same way, water also needs to be preserved for the future use. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Are you all getting, students?
Yes,
So
sir.
please hold on. I will show you a beautiful model. Okay, I have prepared for you.
Very eager to see.
Okay,
sir.
very good. Hold on, okay. See students, water is a resource like any other resources. Okay, water is also one of the resources. We have many resources like land resource, then minerals, okay, human resource. So water is one of them. Okay, water is the resource like any other resources, but it is limited in nature, right? And
Yes,
therefore
sir.
it has to be preserved, but its preservation is different from the preservation of other resources, right? Like for example, land, how can it be preserved? By planting trees, right? Similarly, we human beings, we are also one of the resources, right? So how we need to take care of ourselves when we fall sick and all, or when we suffer from different kind of diseases? What should be done in order to preserve this human resource? We should be sent to the, isn't it?
Yes,
Where?
sir.
Hospitals for the better treatment, right? So that's
Yes,
how
sir.
we can be preserved, the human beings can be preserved. Okay, so water is a renewable resources that can be used again and again, right? Which can be used again and again, like soil, sunlight and all. Okay, so it is a renewable resource that can be renewed, right? Very good. So students, here now, mainly there are two methods of rainwater harvesting, right?
Yes, sir.
So the first one is surface rainwater harvesting. So now we'll study about the methods of rainwater harvesting. So mainly there are two methods, okay? The first one is surface rainwater harvesting, right?
Yes, sir.
So here, the rainwater that flows from the surface, especially from the parks, roads, open ground, okay, etc., is captured for later use. So you can see the pictures over here, okay? That will make us understand. It will make us more and more clear, okay?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
the dam is constructed and the flow of the water is controlled, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is the way how the rainwater can be harvested. On the other hand, you see, the dam is constructed, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
pond is constructed. So this is the way the rainwater can be harvested. For what? For later use, right? So this is known as surface runoff, surface rainwater harvesting.
Harvesting.
Okay, very good. So the water that runs off from the surface, okay, either from parks, roads, open grounds, okay. So that water can be harvested for later use. Okay, very good. Second method is rooftop rainwater harvesting. So now students, I will show you the
Yes, sir.
model, okay. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
the model I have prepared for you, and I will show you the live model also, okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the model I have prepared for you, rooftop rainwater harvesting. Can you see the model here?
Yes, sir.
I have prepared, okay. Both are one and the same, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'll show you the model now, the live model, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please hold on. Yes, students, can you see
Yes, sir.
how it is?
Looks very nice, sir.
Yes. So this is the model I have prepared for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just to explain you about the rooftop rainwater harvesting. Okay, see here, students.
Yes,
I'll explain
sir.
to you. This is the house, okay?
Yes,
Very
sir.
simple house. But then how the system is installed, right? Here,
Yes,
you can
sir.
see. System is installed, pipe is connected, taken to the syntax channel, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way the rainwater can be harvested. This is one of the methods, right?
Yes, sir.
There could be some other methods, but for you to understand, okay, I have prepared this model, okay, so that you can get the idea about how to harvest the rainwater, right? So you can
Yes,
see,
sir.
yes, can you see all students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you all getting?
Very nice, sir.
Okay, meanwhile I'll put this one here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So this is the way the rooftop rainwater can be harvested, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is another way, okay? Same thing, but in a different way, okay? How the
Yes, sir.
rooftop water can be harvested when it rains, okay? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, students, let us understand the advantages of rainwater harvesting, right?
Yes, sir.
First thing is that it reduces water bill. Okay, suppose you harvest rainwater and you collect water for later use, so you should not unnecessarily buy water. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is the way it reduces the water bill, right? For
Yes, sir.
unnecessary, for each and everything you don't buy water. Okay, then improves the quality and quantity of groundwater, right?
Yes, sir.
So once the water is collected, especially the rainwater, so that recharges, okay, groundwater. Here also I have mentioned that one, recharges groundwater, okay.
Yes, sir.
And that's how the quality and quantity of groundwater also improves, okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
easy to install. I have showed you here, okay, how it is. This system is easy to install, right? The model I
Yes,
have
sir.
prepared for you, and it is very simple, okay. You don't need extra skill to install this system. Very simple. So it is, that's why it is telling it is easy to install. Then another thing is that when you harvest the rainwater, what another the advantage is that it reduces soil erosion, okay.
Yes, sir.
Unnecessarily water does not flow here and there, okay. It is control by creating dams and all. Then flood and pollution of surface
Yes,
water. So this is the advantages. Okay, how we can reduces the soil erosion, reduces the flood, and reduces the what? Pollution of surface water.
Yes,
Then another thing is that recharges groundwater.
Yes,
Clear? Okay, very good. Are you all getting, students?
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the advantages. Okay, maybe one or two slides. With that, we'll conclude. Okay, wind up. Yes, before that, I'll just show you. Just wait. See here. Another thing is that harvested water can be used for different purposes.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
here for irrigation, right?
Yes,
That water can be used for irrigation. Here, see, sheep, cattle, okay, they are quenching their thirst,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So, advantages of what? Rainwater harvesting. Then another thing is that, see, people are bathing, isn't it? Taking bath.
Yes, sir.
Cows are again quenching their thirst. So, these are the advantages once the rainwater will be harvested. Okay, very good. So now let us understand the disadvantages. Okay, always there will be pros and cons. Okay, so now disadvantages of rainwater harvesting. Regular maintenance is required. Okay,
Yes,
regular
sir.
maintenance. Suppose you construct a dam, construct a pond. So you simply don't leave like that. Okay, time to time you make sure of the the dam. Okay, the
Yes,
dam.
sir.
And also the pond, right?
Yes, sir.
So that does not, it is not damaged, okay? It remains for longer, right?
Yes, sir.
If you don't maintain time to time, sometime there may be cases that it may break, right? And that may cause, okay, the big disaster. Okay, very good. So, requires technical skill. So it is also one of the the disadvantages. Okay, it is not the cup of tea of everyone. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
requires some technical skills. Okay, to install that system. Then it is not installed. If it is not installed properly, it may attract mosquitoes. Okay, and
Yes,
other
sir.
waterborne diseases. So. And another thing is that it occupies space. Okay, suppose you construct a pond, big pond that requires space. Dam requires space, right? So these are the disadvantages. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Hope you understood the lesson, the rainwater harvesting. So before I give you the home assignment, I'll ask some question. Okay, as a part of recapitulation. So based on what I have taught you right now, I'll ask you some questions. Okay, so please hold on. Okay. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The first question is, why do we use water for?
Drinking, bathing, washing, irrigation.
Yes, very good. So you have understood. Okay, the second question is, what is the reason behind for the scarcity of water?
Because roads are that cemented road. Water doesn't go inside the.
Yeah, that also could be one of the reasons behind. But 3 points I have highlighted for you all today. Mainly
Pollution, sir.
pollution of water, then waste of water, excessive use of water. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So those are the reasons behind for the scarcity of water. Okay, the third question is, define rainwater harvesting in your own words. How will you define?
Rainwater harvesting means collecting water for future use, sir.
Yes. So water is being harvested, collected, okay?
Yes, sir.
Especially the rainwater, okay? Either from the rooftops or from the surface, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is for later use. Then what are the methods of rainwater harvesting? Mainly I gave 2 methods of rainwater harvesting. So could you just name them, okay? No need of explanation.
Rooftop and
Yes,
surface water.
Yes, rooftop
sir.
rainwater harvesting and then surface
Surface.
rainwater harvesting. Very good. Now tell me some of the advantages of rainwater harvesting.
Reduces water bill, sir.
Yes, fantastic. Reduces water bill, improves the quality and quantity of groundwater, right?
Yes, sir.
It recharges the groundwater, right?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
very good. You have understood so well. Keep it up. Okay. Then, could you tell me some of the disadvantages of rainwater harvesting?
It is very expensive, sir.
Yes, the regular maintenance is required. Okay, and that costs huge amount of money. Okay, suppose you construct a dam, you need a big project, right?
Yes.
Lot of money is required. Pond again money is required. Okay, another thing is that when the system also cannot be easily installed, right? It requires technical skills. Okay, then if it is not installed properly, that may attract the mosquitoes and other waterborne diseases, right?
Yes.
Okay,
sir.
students, I am so glad that you have understood the lesson so well. With the help of, the model also, you understood the lesson so well. Keep it up, okay? So, before I leave you, I would like to give you a home assignment, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, I request any one of the students to kindly read this home assignment for the whole class slowly and clearly, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Write down your contributions towards water conservation in about 500 words.
Yes. So you have to write down your contributions, okay? How you contribute, okay, for water conservation, okay? Your contribution towards water conservation. Hope things are clear to you, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you all happy today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, thank you, and have a good day. See
Thank you,
tomorrow,
sir.
Okay.